Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account to a personal account. So for this, first of all, just open the Instagram application here. So tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, tap on these three bars and go to this settings and privacy. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will find this option account type and tool. Just tap on it and you have to tap on this switch to a professional account. Then continue and continue. It doesn't really matter, you just have to choose any and then tap on this done. Now tap on this next and tap on continue. Now if you go to profile, as you can see, we have turned into a professional account. Now if you want to go ahead and turn it back to a personal account, what you want to do is tap on these three bars again and then settings and privacy again. And now what you want to do is, instead of scrolling down all the way to the bottom and clicking on account type and tools, which is not going to be there, what you want to do is click on the search bar at the top and then tap on this creator and you can see creator tools and controls. Just tap on it and then if you find right here at the very bottom it says switch account type. Just tap on it and then tap on this switch to personal account. And as you can see, it switched to personal account. Now if you go to your profile, your account is back to personal account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.